Here we write a simplified rational expression for the total time spent hiking in terms of the average speed for uphill, that is v kilometers per hour. So therefore, we can split the situation into two parts, that is one for the uphill journey and another one for the downhill journey. And let's say t1 is the time taken for uphill journey, and t2 is the time taken for the downhill journey, and v represents the average speed for uphill journey as it is given in the part of the question. And therefore for downhill journey we use this information, that is the average speed is 2 kilometer per hour greater on downhill journey. So if v represents the average speed for uphill journey, then v plus 2 is the expression which gives the average speed during the downhill journey. Then we use the speed distance time relation. So we use the distance traveled in both the journeys is 6 kilometers, and here also it is 6 kilometers. So now we use the speed distance time relation and put this as an expression. So for uphill journey I'm writing this average speed, and this equals distance, that is 6, divided by time taken is t1. And similarly for downhill journey, the average speed is v plus 2, and this equals the distance traveled is 6 divided by time taken equals t2. And now we have expressions for v and v plus 2. Since we want to find the total time, using this equation we solve for t1, which gives t1 equals 6 divided by v. And similarly, using this equation, we solve for t2. So t2 equals 6 divided by v plus 2. Now let's add these two times so that we get the total time. So therefore, we write total time spent hiking, and this equals t1 plus t2. Let's put the expression for t1 and t2, that is 6 by v plus 6 divided by v plus 2. So we have to combine these two fractions and give it as a simplified rational expression. The common denominator is going to be product of these two. So therefore this expression has to be multiplied and divided by v plus 2, that is 6 by v times v plus 2 divided by v plus 2. And then this expression has to be multiplied and divided by v. So I write this expression, multiply and divide by v. And so we have 6 times v plus 2 expression. So this will be 6 times of v plus 2 expression divided by v times v plus 2. And then this one will be 6 times v, which is 6v, divided by this one is once again v times v plus 2. Now we have a common denominator in both these rational expressions, which means we can combine the numerators. That is, the first one is 6 times v plus 2 plus 6v, and this is divided by the common denominator, which is v times v plus 2. Now let's put the numerator in simplified form. First, distribute this. 6 times v is 6v, plus 6 times 2 is 12, plus 6v. This is divided by v times v plus 2. And so this gives, we can add the like term. 6v plus 6v is 12v plus 12, and this is divided by v times v plus 2. Now we can factor 12 from these two terms. So when we do that, we get 12 times of v plus 1, and this is divided by v times of v plus 2. And so therefore this is the simplified rational expression which gives the total time spent hiking. And so answer choice B is correct.